Hello everybody. Salam dostlar. Men Zuzu. Bu Zuzu Unique KG kanalı. Hoş geldiniz. Welcome to my channel. I'm Zuzu and this is Zuzu Unique KG channel. Today let's talk a little bit about grammar, okay? Bugün biz biraz gramatik hakkında söyleyelim. Makul bu? The demonstrative pronouns. Şilteme atadoçlar. The demonstrative pronouns, we have two, plural and singular. Şilteme atadoçlar ikiye bölünür. Cege, cana, köptük tür. The demonstrative pronouns is used for an object and a person that is located nearby. For example, let's talk about this. This is in Kyrgyz language, bul, or in colloquial speech we say bu, short, without L, just bu. And for example, bul, alma. This is an apple. Yeah? Bu, alma. Or in colloquial speech, we can say bu, alma. Bu, alma. And if we wanted to make, for example, negative sentence, so that time we use ms. You remember, yeah? So, bul, alma, ms. Bul, alma, ms. Bul, kiwi. Bul, kiwi. And how we can make questions. So, in my other videos, we talk a little bit about that. So, when we make question, we use b or p. So, we edit in the endings. B or P, and the vowels, of course, change according to the harmony of vowels. For example, bul, alma, b. Yeah, bul, alma, b. Is this apple? Yok. Bul, alma, emes. Bul, kiwi. Yok. Bul, alma, emes. Bul, kiwi. Bul, alma mı? Bul, alma mı? Ova, bul, alma. Ova, bul, alma. And the demonstrative pronouns as a plural, we can just edit ending lar, ler, lor. Yeah? So for bu, we edit lar. Bular. Bular, almalar. Bular, almalar. And the negative sentence, bular, almalar emes. Bular, kiviler. Bular, kiviler. And if you wanted to make question, bular, kiviler bi. Bular, kiviler bir çok. O, ova. Bular, almalar. Cana, bular, kiviler. So, we talk about bul and bular. What about that? Yeah? And those. So the demonstrative pronoun that, Kyrgyzca, tigil, tigil. And also again we can omit the L, and in colloquial speech we can say tigi. Tigi, tereze, in front of me, window. Tigi, tereze. And so, right side, I have door, And I can say tigil tereze emes. Tigil tereze emes. And if you wanted to make questions, tigil tereze bi? Tigil tereze bi? And for plural, like those, windows. Those are windows. Tigiller, terezeler. Tigiller, terezeler. So you notice, yeah, the endings ler be added for the word. Tigiller, terezeler emes. It's negative sentence. Tigiller, terezeler emes. Good. And interesting things is the demonstrative pronoun also used for the person or people, right? For example, tigi kız, that is girl. Tigiler baldar, those are boys. Tigiler baldar, those are boys. And interestingly, that in Kyrgyz language, we have demonstrative pronouns for greatest distance we use. For example, if we talk about stars or mountains, so we use another demonstrative pronouns. It sounds tetigil. So tetigil to. So if we just say that is mountain, so tetigil to. If we say singular, yeah, just one mountain. If we wanted to say about stars, so we can say tetigiller yıldızlar. Tetigiller yıldızlar. Okay, so now you see how to use bul, bullar, tigil, tigil, tigiller, and tetigil, tetigiller. And just remember, L, the last letter L, we can just omit. In colloquial speech, we can just use bu, bular, tetigi, tetigiler, tigil, tigi, tigiler. Okay? Thank you for your attention. Қуаныштамын бүгін көңіл бұрғаныңызға. And don't forget to put thumbs up. Маға like қойғанды ұмытпаңыз. Also, write down your comments. Маға комментарий жазғанды да ұмытпаңыз. Қуанышта боламын. Мұндан ары да осындай видеолар шығышын қаласаңыз, маға комментарий жазып қойыңыз. I would be happy if you write down some comments. Анда емке көрішкенше. See you soon. Bye bye.